As a Christian creator, there are two things that I need to stop doing when it comes to thumbnails and titles. I've been on YouTube for 4 years, and in that time, I've hardly got any views because, and this is the critical thing, I've been going to try for search every time. I've now just changed my strategy, and I am now doing two things. One is I'm no longer ever gonna do search again, mostly. But the other thing is make it so intriguing for people to watch, and I mean really intriguing. The thumbnail needs to be so intriguing and the title so irresistible to click. That's what I want to be about. Morningstar Better Thumbnails is about not making great thumbnails, but just making them better.